Did you know that only 43% of workers say their organisations have left them better off than when they started? What about the fact that only 21% of people are actively engaged at work? We are operating in a time shaped by multiple complex challenges, from economic uncertainty to geopolitical disruption, labour shortages to the climate emergency. Leaders today are forced to learn faster, innovate harder, and produce more with less. Amidst the opportunities and challenges of this uncertain world, we've distilled 45 years of experience working with some of the world's biggest organisations into an interactive playbook that captures our point of view on leadership. We explore questions such as, what is leadership? Why does a human approach matter? How can you learn and grow your ability to take leadership action? You'll have the opportunity to listen to different voices and be challenged with powerful questions and experiment with practical exercises, all designed to bring our thinking and learning to life. And most importantly, to help you work through whatever challenge is facing you right now. So click the link in the description to our leadership playbook and immerse yourself in your own learning journey.